Welcome to HOGN Product Showcase. Today, we will focus on the production of this high-performance dropout fuse. It is manufactured using high-strength materials with a simple appearance and compact structure, making it suitable for various power systems. Next, we will take you through its production process in detail. The process begins with asphalt mixing, where the asphalt is applied to the lower metal fittings and double-hole mounting plates, creating a durable protective layer. Precise mixing and uniform stirring of the cement ensure the stability and long-term durability of the components. Crimping the upper moving contact and the arc tube ensures quick circuit interruption and effective arc extinction. The ceramic insulator is one of the core components of the fuse cutout. Each insulator undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure it is free from cracks or defects. Switching the fuse on and off at least 5 times, adjusting the angle of the fuse tube and the change in the spring, no free. When the fuse tube contacts the static contact, the debugging process ensures that each fuse meets strict performance standards. Factory inspection is a final checkpoint, ensuring that every device meets the highest quality standards, including power frequency withstand voltage, drop test, contact pull force, and contact performance test. Thank you for watching the assembly process of our dropout fuse. We are dedicated to providing our customers with the highest quality products.